If you're an XDUOO fan, you'll be very pleased with their new DAC. This is the XDUOO Pro. Look, they've been releasing a lot of this particular brand of DACs over the years. They've been making this XDUOO series. It's not the first time they've made this XDUOO. They've made it several times. This is just crazy at this point. They keep releasing an XDUOO every year. Literally, just do this. They keep the series going, just to keep their brand alive. Now, this particular model has native DSD512 support. You also have the fact that it's coming with a screen, and it's even gonna come with a dual screen, and then you get a lot of power in terms of output. It will be able to drive 300 ohms at 930 milliwatts. This is incredible, and it's also going to come with a flagship DAC chips inside. Like, you're getting the ESS 9039S Pro chipsets inside. The fact that it has a lot of power for a small compact unit is insane, and it's being compared to like a desktop unit. Like, when you get a desktop amplifier, you know already that you're gonna get an incredible amount of power output with it. And the funny thing is that if you want to power just 32 ohms, it will be able to put out 2000 watts. 2000 watts is what it's going to be able to do, which is insane. That's insane. For a portable unit, very rarely do you see a portable unit giving you 2000 watts of output. So this is a ridiculous number. It is big. It is really, really massive. I don't think anyone that is buying this particular DAC amplifier will be in need of any more power output at all, at least for any major in-ear monitor and maybe many headphones, even plainer headphones. They will be very fine with what they get. The thing here is that, because it's a rechargeable solution, you can use this anywhere else. They've released so many XDUOO. For instance, they originally had the XDUOO Basic, they've had the XDUOO Plus, they've had the XDUOO Balance 2. Every single one of these products had different features, like from their DAC chips that they were different, to their build quality, to the Bluetooth chipsets they all had. Everything was a very different experience for the most part. But this new model, the XDUOO Pro, comes with a QCC 5125 Bluetooth chipset. Like I said, power output is ridiculous at this point. You're looking at 2000 milliwatts into 32 ohms, 930 milliwatts into 300 ohms, and around 510 milliwatts into 600 ohms. So this is a beast, a very, very big beast. It's more or less going to be down to if you can afford it overall. That's more or less going to be the case. It's not a cheap unit. It is very expensive. It's almost $700 in terms of price tag. So it's not a unit that can easily be afforded by a lot of people. Not a lot of people can go out and purchase this set, obviously. But look, it's not a bad priced DAC overall, because I know there are DACs that are out there that are more expensive, that have much more you have to pay to get, at least to be able to get your hands on the quality that you need for your music in general. But this model also offers you more other features. For instance, you get two connections. You get a 3.5mm unbalanced connection and a 4.4mm balanced connection. You also have the fact that you can replace the DAC inside. The DACs inside can be replaceable if you want to do that, but I don't think anybody buying this will care about replacing the DACs inside. It supports high-res audio, 32-bit, 768 kilohertz. Like I said before, it supports DSD, and also it supports MKIII, the new MKIII 8X. So there is new MKIII 8X support here. It's really good, in almost every department that you would need it to be good in. It's really built very well. The only thing will be the price tag and whether you'll be able to afford it. But generally, it's a fantastic unit. It offers you a lot that you would more or less be happy to get with it. The fact that you can swap out DACs if you want to do that is fantastic. There is a lot you can do with the DAC. You can even open it up if you want to. Although these are not things that I advise customers to do, but this is a fact. You can customize this more to your benefit. That's one of the only thing that I've liked about the XDUOO series. They allow you to do some maybe customization. I've seen some people open up the DAC in the past, the older models, to do some changes to get the best out of the unit that they used to have. So this is no different. It will still give you that ability to tinker, to do a lot of things that might be different from what is there originally. So it's a very good unit regardless. It's going to be a very competitive market right now for a lot of people. DACs are very, very expensive on the market depending on what you need. So if you need a portable solution, then you have to look at the new XDUO DAC. This is the XD05 Pro. So you can check it out. I'll drop the details even where you can get your hands on it if you are interested in this model. I think it's definitely going to intrigue a lot of people if they really choose to have this in their collection. So that's it. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content, follow us here on YouTube. I will see you guys very much next time.